card that's located right here, you're going to find 2 fire hoses with alligator clamps and male connectors, and you're going to find your big old pump.
Move card out of the way.
Open sesame. Bob's your uncle.
Remove both fire hoses. Be careful, it's rusty. Unlock gates below the outer stairwell. Uncover holding tank and set tarp to the side. Grab the pump from the cart and bring it to the holding tank. Connect pump to holding tank via the gator clamp. Success! Now connect the gator clamp end of one hose to the wall pump. Success again! Run the remainder of the hose back towards the cave. Now run the second hose through the gap in the wall. Pull the hose until it reaches the holding tank. Make sure the entire line is laying as flat as possible. Connect the gator clamp to the holding tank pump. Connect the 2 hoses at the female and male threadings. Each hose should lay entirely flat to avoid kinks in the line. Locate the yellow extension cord in the RO cabinet. Careful there, Parker. Run the extension cord to the opposite wall of the yard. Then carefully toss the cord over the wall. Connect an outlet switch to the extension cord and keep it in the off position. Now plug in the pump with the switch turned off. Open the holding tank ball valve. Head into the lab room. Turn on the roof water monitor by pressing the light gray button on the yellow cord. Watch the screen and wait for the numbers to settle. One person should be stationed at the holding tank, the monitor, and the wall pump. Use your phone to communicate with the other stations. Once everyone is ready, turn on the holding tank pump. Once you see the hose start to fill, you will open the black ball valve and flip the red switch. Back in the lab, the number on the monitor will begin to rise. Be ready to tell them to stop around 15 MA.
Alright, so when you shut everything off, the first thing that's going to happen, there's going to be communication between both the person here and the person on the other side by the holding bin on the other side of the wall. Whether that's phone call, walkie-talkie, I don't care how you do it. This right here is going to, basically on the count of 3 or whatever your guys' go is, you're going to shut the pumps off same time, and then as soon as you shut it off, close the bulb up. Water's going to spew out, so we grab ourselves a bucket here. You're going to undo the alligator clamp. There's a little button on both sides over here. Just get both of those buttons. One button, undo you. One button, undo you. And then you pull that off, and then
Bring the unclamped end of the hose to the tray. Carefully walk along the hose to push out any remaining water. Neatly roll up both fire hoses and let any remaining water go down the dry. Place both fire hoses in the cart. Rinse the holding tank pump and place it gently in the bottom of the cart. Move the cart back into place. Put the extension cord back in the cabinet how you found it. Close both gates and make sure it's locked. Good job!